This is John from EFA. There's refrigeration with another super tip. Guys, today we are going to be making a burn here on the aluminum with copper. I already have him positioned here, okay? Yeah, I already made a bag here. I'm going to give you some tips. I'm going to give you 3 tips so that you never suffer again when you go to do an aluminum weld with copper, okay? A lot of friends there. When you're starting, man, us. I got a lot of aluminum with aluminum, hole in the freezer, aluminum with copper. Man, that was the terror when I took this type of service. Then I preferred not to do it. But then I had to train, pay a price to do a quality service, and no longer run out of service. What makes us good is that we don't run on duty. We face and train every day. Guys, today we are going to train here. Oh, in this aluminum with copper, and here too, guys. Oh, I made a hole. Oh, let me see if it can be done. Oh, I made a giant hole here. I think I made a very big hole, but then we're going to do this brazing here, simulating a hole in the freezer, guys. I want to give you 3 very important tips here for you when you go for a burn, okay? The first tip, which perhaps you already know a lot but don't do, is to clean the surface. Guys, what do you have to take out here, John? The paint, all the paint residue, if you have it, especially in the evaporator pipe. Remove residue that is here in the copper pipe. Also oil residue. Every impurity that does not allow the union to be perfect, you have to take away. If you keep shooting from here, you won't make a good weld. If you stay where you won't catch the solder, you won't catch the brazing. So anything that stays here, oh, you're going to have trouble. I often say that the preparation takes more time than the service itself. That preparation is the key to business. So guys, first thing, do this. Waste time, but do a good cleaning on the pipe. As the garbage 80 is rubbish here, all this pipe leaves it clean with the saw knife also, if you want to shave with the saw knife. And also guys, the second tip I want to give you, don't stay. It's stopped in the aluminum with the torch tube, okay? Otherwise you'll end up melting it. If you don't know how to distribute heat here in the aluminum part, the aluminum with copper, you're going to end up melting everything. And you're going to lose the service. Will you get angry? Will you want to abandon the profession due to lack of training many times? Guys, no one is born good. We improve ourselves every day to become the person we want. So there's a tip for the people who follow me there, okay guys? A very important tip indeed. A hint? No. A very important message. December 12th we'll have our Black Friday of our course, the method that does you do not, which turns you into a professional technician in 3 months, guys. 3 months, I guarantee you, if you apply everything we do. Delivery there, you get a monster in refrigeration. Only you have to pay a price. As I say here, like welding in the course too, you have to pay a price. You have to study, and we have one, I don't even talk about it, promotion. Another special Black Friday discount that will now be December 12th, guys, but it will only be 100 units only for those who have it within the WhatsApp group. So you don't miss it, click on the link, then don't miss the opportunity, then it will go up there at the normal price. Guys, today our refrigeration course, it costs 700 BRL. Oh John, is there a course there? What do they charge for? 189, 250, or 90 BRL? Dude, buy the course from whoever you think. And you like the explanation? I'm not telling anyone to buy my course, it's just that I'm a sick guy. I'd rather go into detail, do everything step by step, than deliver something poorly done. Understand? So for you, that it is a complete course with bonuses, that there is no course on Google Ads, Facebook, how to make art for your company. Man, it is our course. Fall in. There will be an exceptional promotion. It will exceed 50% off, but I will only deliver the amount on the 12th. Join the group so you don't miss this opportunity. And if you have any questions, go to my Instagram and tell me about refrigeration. Send me a direct, and don't forget, follow me, okay? And subscribe to this channel, which is a blessed channel. That is a channel of good. It is a channel of peace. It is a channel of love. And it is a channel of transformation. All right, you got my message? Let's get to the bottom of it now, guys. Guys, I'm going to get my stick here. Let me find my stick. I'm going to use my aluminum rod with flux inside it. She's got flow inside her, guys. I'm going to get the aluminum rod, and I'm going to get my Dubo torch. And let's do this scorching. Come on, guys. Do the scorching. Now I've zoomed in here on the pipe so you can have a good view. It's just reinforcing, guys. When you're going to do the burning like this, in the pipe where there's a bag like this, you usually always leave it facing up the bag. Don't put it on. On the contrary, if it won't make it difficult when you're going to do the burning. And another thing, don't forget to clean the surface, sand it clean. Okay, guys, we're going to use this stick here. Oh, it has flow in the middle. This one here is better than the one I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Her brand is the one that is appearing on the screen, okay? All right. And the last tip before you, it's not so anxious about the heat distribution video. Put more heat here in the copper than in the aluminum. Is it closed? Come on. I'm hungry. Let's go to work. Guys, this isn't a beauty pageant, okay? So, if someone already goes there but drips on the weld, it doesn't matter. Let's clean this weld now so we can have a better view. Okay, guys, brazing ready, okay? I didn't even wait to cool down here. Oh, let me loosen the pipe here. Oh, you see? Oh. Oh, beef fillet, guys. Now we're going to burn here on the side. It's here in this hole here. Oh, the size of this hole that I made. I'm going to make a smaller hole, guys. It's going to be easier. I'm not going to weld in this one, that's more difficult. Okay, guys, now let's burn the aluminum here, okay? Let me put a pie on it. Here it will be 11 better views too. Oh, don't put too much heat so it doesn't melt. I'm here too, guys. You got a good stick, okay? This brand of welding rod here is too good. It's clogged, man. Look, what a perfect weld, guys. I'm going to clean it here. You go, my God. Actually, I'm not even going to clean it, guys. I'm not even going to clean it so it doesn't get kind of boring. But she turned out very, very perfect. Let me see if I can get her here, Carixa. Oh, look what a perfect sail, folks. Oh my God, guys, I told you the secret lies in heat distribution, surface cleanliness, and a good soldering rod. This is the mark that is appearing. Guys, you want to be part of the best training in Brazil? Then to cool off. Talk to me. Then fall into the group, first link, then we'll go up. Let's grow up. The year 2022 will be a year of victory. 22, not the year 2023. 22 is the beginning, and 23 is the year that we will grow a lot. Guys, we're together.